that he collected a lot of my art. Now it's time to collect all the other people's art. Is that right? He's got a big house. Don't worry. Don't ask Mr. Rudd about his checkbook. He's just walked out the door. You can ask the other.
Judy, ask Judy.
Somebody. Yeah. Yeah. This is good. I think first of all, I just wanted to say, what can I say? If some of our ministers here, they most likely will say, thank God that we are here. And I just wanted to say that too. I say, thank God that we are here. We are living in a beautiful country called Aotearoa. And we managed to bring all our traits and our cultures and things and share with everybody. And of course our art, and that's why we're here. And talking about the arts and things, you know, like when we touch the Okai, the initiative and the vision to do this. But for me, importantly, tonight I was asked to welcome some of the new artists. They've been working in their own field for a long time, and it's the first time, or the last 6 months, now they're exhibiting here at Okai. And I just want to briefly start to mention that, and then I'll touch on the other part that to me is important, that the trying the marketing of our Pacific art. I just want to say welcome to Dagmar Dyke. Dagmar is the Tongan artist. I go back to maybe 15-something years ago when I first met them at the university here in Auckland, the art school. They were studying art. They're very fortunate to go up there and study art and get a degree. And she's been working hard to do her work and all that. And very often she wake me up and say, oh, I got a new studio, and can you come and have a look? I just started some new things. So I asked her, I think one time the studio was way down on the Hana, somewhere there in the commercial side. And sure enough, she made use of space, do her big paintings and all that. So it was very nice to see her work progress. She spent a lot of time in Wellington too with a new family, and now I believe she's moving back here. Is she here?
Yes, she's here.
Ah, she's here.
I think he knows I'm here.